Good morning, Xpulse Travel Diary family. Today I'm moving on from Dimapur to Imphal. I'm starting at 4:20 a.m. in the morning. So I will update you time to time important places. Keep enjoying with me, be my pillion, and let's explore. Now it's 5:30. I've reached Zubza, Sichu Zubza. So from here Kohima will be about 15 kilometers. To reach Imphal about 147 kilometers, and it shows 4 hours and 37, because it's a mixture of good roads, bad roads, winding roads, pothole roads, dusty road, chocolate road, all that. That's a real. Welcome to Kohima town. I'll take this shortcut. Gear 2, come on. This is very steep climb, guys. Wow. Whoa, 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 whoa. This is a shortcut. Yes. Now it is 5:55, going to be 6. Wow. Guys, the Hornbill Festival place, the road just before reaching Visuema and that slightly, I hope they will put tarmac soon here. Otherwise still Jakama is quite okay, quite good. Wow, 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 a lot of pebbles inside. This makes me dance on my bike. Maram Bazaar, Maram Center, and the landmark here is the Don Bosco Higher Secondary, and here is the Don Bosco statue or Don Bosco Square. There are so many hostels out here, and straight in front of me is the Auxilium Convent. There are quite many hostels run by the sisters and the other people, private. And not far from here is the Don Bosco College Maram, a very famous college in Manipur. Okay, so here is the Maram Don Bosco College. Good morning, Senapati. Finally, the destination. Guys, welcome to Manipur. and Imphal, the capital of Manipur. It has been a very good ride.